everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple but powerful ways to make your digital shop stand out. Whether you're selling SVGs, printable planners, templates, or any type of digital product. These strategies are the exact methods successful sellers use to stay ahead of the curve and consistently get sales. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Spot trends before they hit Etsy. One of the biggest advantages digital sellers have is speed. Unlike physical product sellers, you don't need manufacturing or shipping time. So if you can identify what's about to trend 1 to 3 months before it becomes big on Etsy, you can be the first to create products around it. So how do you spot these trends early? 1. Pinterest trends. Pinterest is often ahead of Etsy, so what becomes popular there usually appears on Etsy later. You can search monthly, yearly, and seasonal trends. 2. TikTok trends. People constantly share upcoming styles, colors, and aesthetics, making TikTok a gold mine for early signals. Type keywords like 2025 aesthetic trends, winter 2025 design trends. You can get some inspiration. 3. Creative marketing and design bundles. These 2 platforms show what designers are buying right now: trending fonts, graphics, color palettes, and templates. If these elements start rising there, you can expect similar demand on Etsy soon. By staying 1 to 3 months ahead, your shop becomes the one leading trends, not chasing them. Next, let's talk about one of the easiest ways to increase your average order value: bundling your products. If you already have multiple items in the same niche or style, group 2 to 5 related products into a package. Then price the bundle slightly higher than one item, but lower than buying everything separately. If you sell a freelance budget planner, a freelance contract template, a freelance beginner guide, you can bundle them as the ultimate freelancer starter kit. Customers love bundles because they feel like they're getting a complete solution, and you earn more from a single sale. Now that your products are optimized and bundled, let's make sure your listings can actually rank and attract traffic. The final step is making sure your listing is optimized for Etsy's search engine. And for this, we're going to use one of my favorite tools, EHunt Etsy Listing Optimizer. This tool is super straightforward. Just paste your product's Etsy link or listing ID and EHunt will automatically generate optimized title and description suggestions. Recommended high-performing keywords. This saves you hours of writing and keyword research. After you finalize your titles, you can copy them and then use the optimization draft to polish your product description so it reads professionally and converts better. Once your listings are optimized, your bundles are ready, and you're ahead of upcoming trends, your digital shop is going to stand out from the competition. That's all for today. See you next time.